NDA government, under the visionary leadership of Sri Narendra Modi ji, has taken significant initiatives in the last 10 years. Today, India is having a right leader, right time. That is Narendra Modi ji.
विद सिटी डेवलपर्स की खास पेशकश, जहांगीर पीर दरगाह से 2 किलोमीटर पहले 6,000 रुपए पर स्क्वायर यार्ड, शमशाबाद एयरपोर्ट से कुछ ही दूरी पर। तो जल्द से जल्द हमसे रब्त अदा करें। विद सिटी डेवलपर्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, बिहाइंड चॉइस फंक्शन हॉल, VIP कॉलोनी, चंद्रायन गुट्टा, हैदराबाद।
एनडीए पार्लिमानी पार्टी के इजलास में टीडीपी के सरबराह चंद्रबाबू नायडू ने कहा कि हम सबको मुबारकबाद दे रहे हैं क्योंकि हमने ज़बरदस्त अक्सरियत हासिल की है। मैंने इंतखाबी मुहिम के दौरान देखा है कि वज़ीर-ए-आज़म नरेंद्र मोदी ने कभी भी 3 महीनों तक आराम नहीं किया, दिन रात इंतखाबी मुहिम चलाई, इसी जज्बे से शुरू किया और इसी जज्बे पर ख़त्म हुआ। PM नरेंद्र मोदी के दौर में मुल्क की मईशत मजबूत हुई है। इनकी क़यादत में हिंदुस्तान एक आलमी ताकत बनकर उभरा है। नरेंद्र मोदी के सबका साथ सबका विकास, तरक्की याफ्ता हिंदुस्तान और NDA की इज्तिमाई सोच से हम हिंदुस्तान को गुर्बत से पाक मुल्क बना सकते हैं। NDA पार्लिमानी पार्टी के इजलास में TDP के सरबराह ने ये अल्फाज अदा किए।
NDA government, under the visionary leadership of Sri Narendra Modi ji, has taken significant initiatives in the last 10 years. The country has witnessed remarkable progress and transformation. Narendra Modi ji focused and dedicated approach has transformed the nation into a global powerhouse. I am in the politics for the last 4 decades. I have seen so many leaders. I can give entire credit for Narendra Modi ji for making India proud globally. That is his biggest achievement for the country. Now, under his leadership, we have reached 5th largest economy in the world. Now, we are confident during this tenure, he is going to make India 3rd largest economy in the world. And at the same time, he is planning Vikasit Bharat Vision 2047. We are very confident under his leadership, India will become either 1 or 2 globally. It is going to happen. And at the same time, Indians under his leadership globally will become number 1 globally. As on today, Indians are all everywhere. If you go anywhere in the world, highest per capita income Indians are earning. I am confident under his leadership, Indians are going to become global leaders in the near future. It is going to happen. You name public governance, corporate governance, in the name of service, we are going to serve the global community. That is going to happen. Under this, sir, only all of us have to keep balancing regional aspirations and national interest must run parallelly, ensuring holistic development across all strata of society. Friends, I have seen so many governments. We are a very, very inspiring time. Anything you wanted to achieve, if you visualize, it can be done. Narendra Modi ji is having a vision and also is having a zeal and also his execution is very perfect and also he is executing all his policies with a true spirit. Always to have a leader. Right time is a great asset for the nation. Today, India is having a right leader, right time. That is Narendra Modi.